wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best Gundam model kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the hguc is a charming squat figurine with a massive asteroid blasting hammer. Its open hands can be fitted with other items as well. It also comes with a submachine gun and can be assembled quickly. However, it is shorter than most other options. At number 9, the Master Grade Tallgeese version EW is a release of the most popular suit from the Wing series. Some may find the nearly all-white design a little underwhelming, but it does ensure the few accent colors really pop. It includes rear-mounted boosters and a Spartan-style helmet, but the shoulders hinder the range of motion. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the PG Exia has opening and closing panels that enable you to see various internal parts of the mechanical structure and color-changing LEDs that reflect different stages of the GN particle output. It can be set into a variety of poses and includes an extremely detailed assembly manual. However, aligning the wiring can be tricky. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Gundam model kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, featuring a massive hyper mega cannon and heavy-duty armor, the MG Fazz makes an imposing figure. It's equipped with missile pods, a dual beam rifle, and panels that open on the chest and back to reveal even more weaponry. It sports eye-catching blue accents and includes a lot of decals, but its articulation is somewhat limited. Moving up our list to number 6, you might want to set aside an entire afternoon before you commence constructing the Epyon Master Grade, but you'll be left with a stunning mecha that can transform from a mobile suit configuration to dragon flight mode. The wings are movable and it includes a flexible chain-like weapon. However, the design is back-heavy. Halfway up our list at number 5, the MG00 Full Saber is considered one of the most powerful mechas in the series, and its 1/100th scale does the suit justice. It might be a somewhat old release dating back to 2010, but it's no less detailed or functional than more modern ones. It offers a high level of articulation and includes the Clear Action Base 5. It's got striking artwork on the box too. At number 4, the Banshee Norn Unicorn comes in the highly sought-after Destroy Mode configuration and features lots of appealing translucent orange highlights in the frame. Its armor is fully deployed and reveals its impressive-looking mane. It includes a shield and blaster gun and an illustrated painting guide. The weapons can be placed in either hand. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, featuring molded in colors, you don't have to worry about painting the PG Seed Astray red frame. It boasts LED illuminated eyes and multi-jointed elbows for complex articulation and comes with the Gebera straight long sword. It features a chrome-colored blade and feels very solid and is bundled with a comic. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Gundam model kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the hguc RX-78-2 Revive is an updated version of one of the first and most iconic suits from the series' early days. Its low price, combined with the many fine details, multiple articulation points, and near-endless posing options, make it a top seller. It's equipped with beam sabers and is built to a 1:144 scale. This one's ideal for beginner builders. And taking the top spot on our list, an aggressive-looking option, the heavyarms Master Grade is armed to the teeth with a giant Gatling gun and too many missile pods to count. All the components snap together securely so it doesn't feel fragile when assembled. It also includes a combat knife and sports vibrant coloring. It stands 8 inches tall. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Gundam model kits, or simply click beneath this video.